Say when they met the content creators, it wasn't about
no
problem. We are crampon charge home with that one. Criticizing the Central Bank of the Republic, and it's a road down to the abyss. It should never happen again.
In the only first issue, Murezi said it was the first red flag. Murezi.
Yeah.
Number 2, with this report, because I mean the conversation and I said the narrative around it, and it's there is some kind of subtle admissions, loss course, but there are results to show for the loss. Into really, I didn't know what's a Ghana for you worried.
Loss near.
What officially I have not seen the report, but at least I may can't hear a tape from press conference now. 15 billion.
Good. So you see, what you are doing is that you are repeating the NDC political party narrative. Say, loss Akoso.
Yes.
15 billion.
Yes.
But there's some good to show for it. And in fact, it's not just you. Ome recruited a lot of. I'm not saying they have recruited you. Ome recruited a lot of people. You know, some pretending some are neutral, some pretending some are analysts near there to be repeating the same line. In fact, when they met the content creators, it wasn't about no problem. We are crampon charge home with that one, but they feel the need to explain. The reason for which 15 billion, 15 billion is because that is a propaganda they want to put out. But the truth, and that's why we did the press conference in Dra, was that when you download the account and you go into it, the loss is nothing less than 35 billion Ghana cedis. And so 35 ni betu me actually the entire you use the expression nothing less than 35. Ushe mankasa loss near 44 billion Ghana cedis.
And no piece. I've gotten the will be forward the soft copy now, Mrs. I don't know, sir. Where 136 pages.
136 pages. That is the one we downloaded from the Bank of Ghana website.
Okay.
So it will be called down. Say it will be withdrawn as or the full account. We have the first one, so you can always come back to it. Now let me take you to page 5.
Page 5
of the accounts.
Okay.
So permit me on my hard copy. What I say.
Yes.
Page 5.
Okay.
I want to be who dear friend headline loss. Until I say, oh, we also must state headline loss. No, I say, I know headline. First of all, there's the bank, and then there's the group. Yes. So, said the bank is made up of the bank and some subsidiaries.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Until group on the side, the headline loss. And
that is from this side, right? Okay. In the group side, no. Headline loss for 2025 15.287.911 billion.
Afikwasi, read the next line.
The next line is transfer to General Reserve Fund. Transfer to General Reserve Fund. And also 2025 14.982.578 billion. Leaving a balance to be carried forward on retained earnings of 647.544 million for 2025.
Okay. Yes. Afi, so ukra soft copy now. Let me take you to page page 16 of the Central Bank.
Okay. Page 16.
My highlight it. Top line, first line.
Okay.
And the headline.
Headline loss. Loss for the year.
Good.
2025. 15.300.513 billion Ghana cedis.
And for is it the bank or the group?
For the group.
Okay.
And for the bank, and also 15.630.122 billion.
Until nona NDC for the propaganda say that is the loss. But that same page 16,
yes,
we say my highlighted two other figures.
And there were because comprehensive income for the year net of tax.
Good, because on my accounts, you were operating account which shows the normal Ejuma Bank of Ghana. Any award the other comprehensive income account, other Nema Omuya any part of Omo core activities. Into what has happened is Omo core Ejuma Nkasa Omuye no.
Yes.
Omo boka 15.6 billion Ghana cedis. what they are hiding from you, ni say, uko sa page 16 we say so the other comprehensive income no. Ehono mu make loss. But loss na ohoni ahe.
And also loss no for the group.
Yeah.
For the group here, 19.888.779 billion Ghana cedis. That's for the group. For the bank, 19.322.253 billion Ghana cedis.
It is so who the actual loss of the central bank for the bank 15.6 plus 19.3 and we pay 34.9 billion Ghana cedis. But on say because omuye propaganda omama bank mpanifo na nkasa mambe kano krenitino one hwe ya nko kan kra hu they are what any press conference NDC party na be say ombo ka 15 billion but the 19 na bete other comprehensive income nimu. 15 plus 19, and I make say nothing less than 34.9 billion cedis. That's the loss. Why is there a difference in this figure? Because they are doing politics with it. Senkamuma Bank of Ghana nankasa tonebo echo through the process ebe presente ya. I am not sure said the governor will come and say 15.6. He will say 34.9. But because of more politicizing, no more person to go for anything, and I'm number point say 15.6. We'll come into the details. Now, 34.9 we ankasan obi assemble page 7.
Okay, in the page 7,
good. That is the beginning of the accounts.
Yes, report of the directors to the Minister for Finance.
Good. Ehona omuchro ejuman kasa. Ghana Constitution, any Bank of Ghana Act as amended, which is primarily to maintain price stability. Now you also be a measure herself. The Bank of Ghana no, ejuma ediation in Sano, Nisika esono so mfenyana, Ninsio esono jariana. Economics money friend of policy solvency. Policy mandate na the amount. Are you solvent enough to fulfill it? I.e., ubetumia ye wabra wankasa o generate revenues na wo de emiti. And I say just a bank nankasa no aban ebre ni sika foforo na okobo besia na apprentice sika foforo ansa na wetumi dia ye. It's a very critical test because central bank no a lender of last resort no. So your policy insolvent then it's just asmaba. In this 2022, Abra Bank of Ghana making loss for the first time. Madam for power to forcing. Or say the Bank of Ghana is near policy insolvency.
That's 60 billion loss.
Yes. Na net equity na negative. And until governor na permanent in 21 days. Na Bank of Ghana na be a crime scene. So Bekaya. Okay, yes. That is because this policy solvency question is a very critical test. Now, policy solvency in your calculation idea. Uber calculate all the revenues what's a bank in from normal activities. Now, what the cost of policy mandate implementation? Policy mandate, maintaining price stability. You bet me I can simple language say omokutia inflation.
Yes.
Into the cost of fighting inflation. Ubetiefi all revenues. Into table ne wohono.
Yes.
Where a Bank of Ghana for accounts.
Yes.
Table ne wohono.
Yes.
Ubehun line by line. Oma listed revenues ni na. Pacho so betimi abu boss watch weti for
policy solvency estimation the bank. First line here, interest income calculated using the effective interest method. Second line,
and there's a bank yes. For example, overnight lending to commercial banks and other on lending that the central bank would do.
Yeah.
Interest income free. No.
Okay. Net income from other financial instrument at FVPL.
And put all the 10 cars aside. Yes. But Nina Niema bank no as part of a normal ejuma omoya in Faso Nasika Omunyao.
In the fees and commission income,
yes.
Other operating income, net gain from the sale of refined gold.
Pause. I want a problem no one.
A net gain, no?
Yes, from the sale of refined gold. And when come ejuma Inti unza account ni crown you 2025 na 2024.
Yes.
Correct 2024
2024 under net gain zero, nothing.
Yes, zero.
Yeah.
Because 2024, the Bank of Ghana didn't need to sell gold to raise money. And come tradition, asset sale, and come If you read the other revenue items,
income from operations.
Okay.
Cost of open market operations.
Who do income from operations now? Let's say total income in 22 billion.
22.231.377
no na cost of policy mandate implementation, open market operations. Open market operation cost is
16.737 billion.
2022 ni mo ebeka 5.5. And no more case o chese o policy solvent. Problem ni ho. But me tell say no correct.
Adentia.
Because in the 22 no, omo de 9.6 bia be hwe a from the sale of
refined gold.
Thank you. I part of omajuma. Yemfa can policy solvency calculation. Mami tell to say asempa FM edena moton
yeton airtime
good
edema.
Inti yese moton airtime. Na mun raise revenue e bia fa ne se be 1 million cedis. Na mun tuetua mo ho ka nyina. Afi enimu no eniema amoye ne ade nyina kana aba beda ha se anase expenditure moye no mo expenditure 1.2 million. Nti mo target 1 million no krampo no mum miti.
Yes.
I be adwuma no pa obi mo asesa computer ni other assets wo company ha se na maton no be 300,000. Nti say mo revenue 1.3. Nti mo tifi mo cost 1.2 no ma say profit.
Yes.
But the problem is that more assets in accounting, more assets are more. It's not part of your stock in trade, and you're part of more normal activities. And no more dia ba be kan ho a senkoman ton since say utisa gold assets no ma ton na fi mu a.
Yes.
The actual revenue from income from
operations
e be 12 billion.
Yeah, 12 billion.
The 12 billion uti 16 fi mu ma boka 4 billion. They are policy insolvent. The only reason for which they are claiming policy solvency is because Omaton gold 9.6 billion at their Josino.
But a honor the rebuttal has been said gold no Bank of Ghana at Shell said as part of a portfolio management and the co here say I was say omo eton because as a central bank no there is a percentage of omo revenues be also mutimi ekipi in some of those assets. Omufisa na akosrododo. They had to diversify and sell. To them a part of normal operations. How do you respond to eno?
Me na now tete me. Oye fantini.
Yes.
Ofi abrase buku amankese.
Yes.
Me ma me fantini.
Sure.
Me na chere me fanti be o si iyo no ye ehruda hurada.
Hurada sem.
Fantimo say iyo no ye ehruda hurada. Smokes and mirrors.
Really?
I'm telling you. I'll come there.
Okay.
But I'm saying to you, say we sa gold sale ni fima.
Yes.
They are policy insolvent. Now let me take you back. Me pesa o kai 2025 nkomo bia me no di wo dem.
Sure.
Me no di nkomo me ensa. 3 interviews.
Yes.
One was on the losses that were being made on the gold purchase program.
Yeah.
2 was about the sterilization as a tool for mopping up excessive liquidity in the economy.
Okay.
And 3 was about the unexplained sale of 50% of our gold reserves. Obakaya, getting to the end of the year, after September, October, almost 50% of your gold reserves.
Yes.
At the time, and nobody could understand why they sold 50% of the gold reserves when there was a policy to actually accumulate more gold. At the time, we are over concentrated in gold. Now, gold near about 40% of your reserves. Into cash.
Yes.
Then, very quickly, they came back with what they call gun wrap. Say, gold no matter crown. Say, so I'm buy back that gold and more.
Yes.
And we had the pricing now. The price of the new gold they were going to buy was going to be higher than the price of the old gold they had sold because gold prices were rising. So everybody was wondering what informed the policy decision to sell the gold. Sir explanation said na yaye over concentrated in gold. No fantini because oye huda rather. Bank of Ghana omo prepare management accounts every quarter. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September.
Yes.
When in September they compiled their management account, We know on authority said that is when they knew they were policy insolvent.
It now so when
did they sell the gold?
Last quarter.
November, December, no gold, no. It was after September management accounts by who said they were policy. Page 1 who said they were policy insolvent. Then they quickly decided, said the only way is to introduce a new revenue line. That is to sell the gold. So that story they told us said they sold 50% of the gold to rebalance the portfolio. Now the evidence is here. And there are notes from the auditors that explains it is a one-off sale.
KPMG
I will find the note for you. Say it is a one-off sale. Before we finish the show, I'll find it for you. It's not a regular idea. They can't be doing it every time. Now next time, what are they going to sell again? And first of all, the press conference which politicized it sought to hide the real loss, which is 44 billion.
34.
No, maybe 44 billion.
Okay.
But has been reduced by 9.6 billion because of salary to 35. And 35 no much no 15.6 abeshe headline. No more than 19 akoshe other comprehensive income. Now I'll prove it to you. Go to page 17.
Yeah, in the way consolidated and separate statement of financial position as of 31st December 2025.
Simply put, this is the balance sheet of the Bank of Ghana.
Yes.
In the accounting equation, no, you say asset is equal to capital plus liabilities. In the person balance we say assets now on one side.
Yes.
No capital and liabilities on the other side.
On the other side.
Okay. I say my highlight net equity.
Yes. Yes. I think there is total equity here. Total equity for 2025 for the bank, 96.276.379 billion Ghana cedis.
For the group.
For the group, 93.818.395 billion Ghana cedis.
Now, this is for 2020.
2025.
For 2024, what was the total equity? By the way, this 93 now can a negative 93.
Yeah, negative. Yeah,
it is in brackets.
In brackets, yes.
What it means, what it means, ni say, and ne Oko Bank of Ghana accounts ni more. A jetray I share Bank of Ghana no one jetray na share. 2 bank ne deka 93 billion Ghana cedis. This is what it means. As at the end of 2025.
Yes.
Back of 2024.
In the 2024 for the group, 58.621.042 billion Ghana cedis, and also here in bracket, it means it's a negative.
This is what it means. As at the time when NDC are buying taking over the Bank of Ghana, now a car bank in a day 58 billion Ghana cedis.
Yes.
After first year of operation, can be bank in a balance sheet, a kana peja could do 93 billion Ghana cedis.
Yes.
So phone no calculator also.
And that's 30 something billion more.
No, they're calculating. And Kasache with T4. Me can be because a politics na me 93 minus 58.
Okay, into 93,818,395 minus 58,621,042.
Yeah.
In the amount 35.197.353 billion Ghana cedis.
35 billion Ghana cedis.
Yes.
Me some another assignment. 15.6 loss now Mokano. Plus 19 loss now me match so they are cut and also add the mommy. 15.6 plus 19.3.
Okay. Into 15.6 plus 19.3.
And we are here.
34.9.
Rounded off here.
That's 35.
Indeed. Machira say, Obi catch us a Bank of Ghana car a 15.6 or your truffle.
Okay, it means say 35 billion way no.
Yes.
That is the subtracting 58 billion from 93 billion.
Afi ma menchiro mu. Uko bank ne balance sheet na. Afi bia say who make you profit so de ko akọ or equity position.
Yes.
Who make you loss abeko akoti FB.
Yes.
Who say who make you loss 15. Ade na who balance sheet no 1 for 15 per can 58 no now they 35 na account because who make you loss 35. Now who didn't throw who the 19 na kote other comprehensive income. That is what exposes you. So if you don't cast the accounts again and put the two together, you will notice almost 35 billion. Now I make a choice at 35 no crano 9.6 bishimua. Gold.
Yeah.
We free more.
And for 44.
It is obviously on TSC say denti na yen press conference say Bank of Ghana ne kanankasa they understating it is because say when ti your propaganda now I could download the account now calculate here ubo say can 44 billion. I've just demonstrated it to you on there. I've also told you point number 2 say, and I regret to say this, that the bank is policy insolvent. The only way they covered it up after September was that omoton Ghana gold that ye jaw no half. Yet crazy. Say busia gold cry the jawa utumi ton half the school fees. The akonwa gold jawa utumi ton half say na roof ni leak inti maton half e dey ato roofing sheet ebusia for better was here. The Central Bank of the Republic is telling you say omo ton half for portfolio
management.
You while no I say omo accounting for profit on it. Because omo catch us say omo ton gold no ena omode sika no mnya no ekoto dollar account ni mu e ba ne say na fi omo accounting for profit on it say profit no na ba be ka ho am my policy solvent enti enra a press conference here and if I chemu mienu ye decide say ye mfa ye recommendations ne nka ho yes assembly baby bree.
Yes.
Until Wednesday, you bear another one near the recommendations. No, Abeka, Ominia Gideon Boakon, Dr. Amin Anta, Omina Beckham Wednesday. No, they were not in town. That's why they were not with me. But first part, no one near Chemo said, Minia, sa propaganda and minty. Number 2, a cano, a 44. Number 3, bank has now become policy insolvent. They had to sell gold before they retained solvency. Now, a central bank that needs to sell gold before it becomes solvent. They are only living on borrowed time. Was any money ye jai politics no? Ye ditum said there's a problem. Now you fix the problem no once and for all. And yes, sir, they be a minute na ebe bakwa mi bu ni say so ma me ewu. Now so wada. Ebe 6 PM obi abekọ na ma me ho akọje aduane. So that was the third point that we made. Now you also heard people saying, say, and that was your earlier question. So that's it. Inflation about 3 points. 3.
We are not made stories of some respected voices about finance, economy. Anyway, I've read one from Joe Jackson, for example, of Dayless Finance. He also makes the same point. The cost of stability.
When have you heard Joe Jackson say anything against the NDC government or in favor of the MPP?
Joe Jackson.
Oh, I don't want to go too much into it. He's my friend. I don't want to go too much. When have you heard it? Would they pull one time that he has said something against the government? Once. You won't find one. Every time his opinion is on the side of the NDC and against the MPP. I mean, I don't want to go too much into it. But I want to come into this argument saying,
yes.
A kana or my bono.
A cost for stability I enjoy no.
Obi, and no crap.
Okay.
Or much room say kana or my bono. A nema mienu ne kofa can buy. Se bako no more fight inflation. Until no quantity cost is 16.7 billion cedis. And the cost of open market operations.
Yeah.
And say second, na omo support dollar no. Into cost near 9 billion cedis. First of all, Mikhail said, "Me know I interviews me answer."
Yes.
In 2025.
Yes.
The first interview I know here was about market intervention at central bank near here. So percent okipu dollar na 10.
Yes.
And on me breaking them because they were pumping. Now formula no they pumping. You be in a cabe befi. Midway through the year, and was in fact first year kind no, omu deny, president deny, or share bishops who deny, governor Nankasa deny. It was when we kept insisting. Then the IMF looked into it and said, "Charlie, Adena Moye no, it's obvious. A market intervention. No, come say any intervention.
Intermediation.
Thank you. You see, who can be beer they will deny it. intermediation, commercial banks in a central bank there, you only intervene when the intermediation is not solving the problem. Say central bank nankasa say intermediation no problem. What they to need info from me dem catch me say wo mama ewu na e kana so wada say be bosses.
Yes.
Until we kept saying say chale dey amoye na intervention. Na dey amoye no ebe wie no e dey kind of be fe. Oh aban papa ba mo pompe dollars and to me and save the city. No problem. No problem at all. At the time I na kasa na catch you say loss are na fear say because of the structure no mo use no. As exposed by the IMF when they went into it, it was about 2.5 billion cedis. That's about $240 million at the time. Okay, May the Bank of Ghana accounts by Medicare, one signature, and you see Dr. Siama, one signature,
sure.
Any case say mumma yensi abotre yensi nkonwani enye investigation. Yenhwe baby a problem ni fiba so that we can correct it. Mekra beside the motion, LED minority the motion called parliament obekaya. What did the majority do to that motion?
It was thrown out.
They threw away the motion. Say Bibi Uncle Bonnie, they don't want to see anything. They've made up their mind. They don't want to see the facts. Dollar bafom, that's the important thing. And we told them, say they are moyan and they can't beba. Nami we are making why everybody should be concerned about it. At the time, Mom Kache and say out, nothing important. In fact, 2 days before Bank of Ghana Abebano, Gold Board by announcement, so more make you profit 900 million. Bank of Ghana buy or say. That transaction now on the Gold Board here, no, on Waboka 9 billion cedis.
Ghana cedis.
But at the time, you raise issue, no, 2.5. Senka yesin kunyat na hohwe correct ya. Enke 9 billion. But okay, they will deny it, they will insult you, and I say, me will say, oh, moment, and about quite statement say, yeah, ignorant. No problem. And a kana 2.5 yanshe no say about 9 billion. Na bakusu will make you profit 900 million. Bakusu will make you loss 9 billion. Netting off na the value of the gold transactions no. Fenotun chain. Before they assumed power, that's our gold purchase program no. I've told you this on authority. Forget this idea.
Since inception.
Forget this idea. 2024 account brew. There was nowhere in that account that it was stated there was a loss. And that governor no call a public accounts committee or mubisa and say, who said there's a loss? Your account no show us or say just a bank. There was no loss. They have published accounts under the signature of the governor and the auditors in which there are no losses. Now for politicization and political equation, they want to claim there was a loss in the past.
But you are saying the central bank in response to an RTI request can peddle falsehood?
I believe that it was untrue. Because it is not in the audited accounts. Do you know what audited accounts mean?
Sure.
Do you know the implication when auditors and directors sign an account? Said this is a true and fair view of what has happened. Now, what signing accounts in which there are no losses? Now we are politics into one answer RTI letter. I said that letter is of no consequence. Respectfully, it's of no consequence. In comparison with the audited accounts, which you gazette and lay before Parliament. The audited accounts that you gazetted and laid before Parliament didn't speak of any losses. Then they didn't loss number and say much change structure no. So now everybody has to go to the Gold Board. The Gold Board has to go to another entity. Until by the time I did like you beton bedu Bank of Ghana no more boka. And on them more admit say more boka 9 billion Ghana, but you only 9 billion.
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
Unim sika ekoji wo IMF
3 billion. But no dollars. So we're 9 billion we
cedis, yes. Now begin to wrap your mind around it. Begin to wrap your mind around it. 9 billion Ghana cedis. Meanwhile, at the time you started, it was just about 2.5 billion Ghana cedis. And this will be the catch also, it was the cost of stability. And your cost of stability, the cost of the policy decision they took to change the structure. That's why they are losing that money. They didn't need to lose that money. Remember another one. Almost say sterilization cost near 16.7 because they had to take a lot of money.
Yes.
That is the most egregious one. Then I know unya time kakra maminko through. So your Bank of Ghana accounts now total amount of money they sterilized from the economy was about 93 billion. Maminchrim So say Bank of Ghana so soon say sika wo krom dodo. Sika won kofo ho a to turn em by heart. Enti ade no se nkofo mi ni ko gina ho na se ne bo kra ye 1 cedi a we se o mema 1.2 ntu bo se ne bo okosoro ene fa inflation. Enti no ye ntwi sika mfi krom. Yi sika ne fi krom ne sika ni ho a nipa na oton ade ne kra na edu baabi obeka se why den what so. So tight monetary policy and the elements need to include sterilization as a way by which on the supply side and I say on the demand side rather we use caffeine so they don't have money to demand. Okay. First of all, Abinu deny said they were not doing sterilization. Yen Yebeka Tremo say, or must sterilize as at that time, bear 60 billion. Ye can't confirm be a neomudi atemi. They were arguing said there's nothing like sterilization. Now yen tiase. Bank of Ghana account. Now they've admitted say end of year sterilization balance on about 93 billion. Now my mincha there. So person who is kefi kroma, nye de bia na also utua hoka. Banks no be a friend no cash reserve ratio. Cash reserve ratio no. So who do sika koto banka? Emrani chere say was say bank no this sika no ntichemu bi ebeto Bank of Ghana as part of the reserve ratio. Yes. Bank of Ghana untia 1 cedi wo ho. The reserve ratio no fa say about 10%. Na say banks nyina mo mobilize deposit or some of the 10% ba. Na come on 90%. Inti na mo de be the friend credit creation. Mo de bi be besia because the real essence of intermediation and say mo munya excess na mo intermediate man you here be mo de amani loan to the private sector. Yes. But who steady about say banks no be brave or or mobilize deposit na. They don't give private sector credit. Omo train a bank treasury bill and omo koto government treasury bill. Then they make a spread on it. Omo train a Bank of Ghana bills bar no makoto. So in essence, the government ends up buying the money from the banks and paying for it.
Yes.
So there was a policy that was introduced known as the dynamic cash reserve ratio. No, you compare.
When was that introduced? Under Moana.
Okay. You compare deposits to private sector credit portfolio. Tisikana OG no yet 10% if you 90% neka the more in the private sector. If we find out that you are not giving it to the private sector but you are lending it back to government, which is increasing the cost of government borrowing. What then we do is that we have a dynamic way of increasing your reserve ratio. So then your reserve ratio is no longer 10%. TBSO from a hat to hand more 15%. What by this level only and OD 20. What by the Bank of Ghana be more perhaps as kanina untia.
BBA also.
February 2026, and a governor announces they were going to review it. Where am I joining line?
Yeah.
We are committed to reviewing the cash reserve ratio. Abra, omu take you over banks near you know you reset aba. You're a Mahama saying reset BBA, so they were going to review it. There was a second component of it. I don't know. So foreign exchange. Yenje foreign exchange under the reserve ratio. Yenje the CD equivalent. So it denies you much CD which you can use to come and buy government paper and make money on it. Inti Ukra forex, it also increases forex availability for banks to do intermediation. There's a banks in the intermediation, no. And also buy no. Say debit. Or my reverse no. So the effect is that there's a lot of money with the banks. Then now when they realize that there's excess liquidity, they say they are going to mop it up at a rate. So now they are paying
to mop up. No?
And only 16 billion now.
When the alternative is without paying anything through this policy,
so you have reversed policies. This costs 9 billion, 16 billion, no. Next thing, in Quebec, central bank be out fight inflation. Also boka. If that is the logic, central bank be out fight inflation. Also boka. But that's not true. Central banks fight inflation without paying this money. Central banks build gold reserves. We build gold reserves without making a nanipa no the gold reserves nifi 8 tons. Eba 31 tons. That is an addition of 22 tons. No one moka. Wow, would this 7 tons be 31 no money 38 no. Who 7 tons no pen also aboka 9 billion. Nipa no the inflation fee 54%. Eba 23%. That is a difference of 31 percentage points. No, when you have 16 billion, what would defeat 23? Eba at the time, because we hear the close off of this account at the time 5.4%. 23 to 5. Who knows who about 16 billion? What sort of math is this? But you don't have an opportunity to interrogate it because some of the politics lady kind. That's why they went through that exercise to come and do the propaganda. Those they say, "Why a bank for Nagasa din techero?" And Omajama NDC communicators. And Omo announce, "Who can I? No maso and who can I? No medi watem can I? No my say." And a bank Nankasa. Governor Semabayo say his number one priority is to reverse the negative equity of the bank.
Of the bank, yes.
In fact, that is when in speech
and make sure say losses will not be repeated.
Or buy a negative equity near 58 and they could do 93.
93.
That is an addition of 33. 33 in Kanameka was on gold. You gold 9.6 and Sana Utumi achieved 33. Yes, I have 44. So there's a problem. I was see jai politics no. Now you confront a problem because this is the lender of last resort. This is your central bank and my central bank. Now, we are there. The central bank has to be recapitalized. Recapitalized by nothing less than 93 billion because Utia 93 billion now it brings them to where? Zero. Nasa 93 no. Unimnipa Obitia.
Meneo.
Ose Bonsu Philip. Omahine Kwabna Sante. Dominic Kisisi Kweju Oppong Nkrumah ye cleaners ni ye drivers are omo wa ha sei mami oton indomie o junction ni Bishop obetuye bi watiefo a yetie mi no sa 93 billion no obia betuye bi inti obitifie onya adwuma ye ekun se method na ban ni use no ebewie no ewu mu adwuma no nya bi ebewie no beboka na wasan ba betua sa aka ne bi ka sa sika no o ma yemfem bi enterprise fund nanka wo wonye bi ya adwuma wo se da bi na dollar na gina 10 nti yenye din ka sen kodu
kodo. The other point has been said you admit you know the first time you who say Bank of Ghana aboka was in 2020 time at 60 billion.
That is true.
You know. If someone argues say that whole ended the beginning of the problems of the Bank of Ghana, then now become.
First of all, unlike 2022 no, yen try say the kabia tetebebia. In 2020, I mean who say neutrals near there will be a choice. So the transparency of the central bank should be commended. They've been transparent. Transparency of what? The 15 billion or the hidden 19 billion or the hidden 44. This is not transparency. Transparency was when the central bank went through the process, published its accounts and came to tell you, say, Yaboka 60 billion. First, unlike what they are doing now, time nobody tried to hide it. Number two, we clearly explained, say, 60 billion now, or more bokano.
Yes.
Because Bank of Ghana had to pay 48 billion to reduce the country's debt under the domestic debt exchange program. Omutia 42 billion every year, no more boka 60 billion. No more boka 60 billion. Why did they have to pay 48 billion in 2022? Because in 2020, so obekaya yedum pempen so bia taxes cry now say nkofotu and you say you suspended tax payments. You relax the timetable no for tax payment. Into your revenue emba. You say teacher for enkwajuma but ibeti omka. We mu enkwajuma but ibeti omka. Ye mom nkania, ye mom nsuo because atorian chama to yen. Enti ye bo besia ene de hwe economy no. Sa besia ne bo Bank of Ghana to you 48 billion. And more boka 60 billion. But the interesting is boka 60 billion you know. In the years after that, no, now or work say or tetene so I restore bank no to where it has to be. In the following year, Nika boy na 10 billion.
That's in 2023.
in 2023 na 10 billion. Omoko recast here no say 13. No problem. Materiality concept in accounting. Until from 60 no or so by 10. In 2024 no, according to NDC4 mobile year accounting in 2025 no, say bank ne can also take by 9.4. Me make my was a bank ne make profit. What did I kind? The bank made profit. But I'm change the accounting policy no to remove part of it from the operating account and move it into other comprehensive income. Into the operating account, the headline into 9.4 loss. I won't even argue about that. But the point is that no matter take loss also from 60 to 13 to 9. In fact, so we net equity position now. Now net equity position I started back to positive. Then all of a sudden, a new government comes in, mostly reset, more cancel policies nibi. And now what you are doing is now taking us to a 44 billion loss, which you've covered up by selling 9.6 billion gold to reduce it to 35 loss. Into a day and now net equity now started banning back to a zero. So say net equity now tiako 93. And a bank in a deca 93. And I say bank in a deca 93. So anybody who tries to make that argument, say yenye boka first, is missing the trajectory of issues. But the enkayempo yemfa say yenye boka more than this. And you crampo you try say ye de tete, just like what you have tried to do. Nkebeka say nothing na Ghana photo about here. So you are supposed to do what? Better. You cannot campaign against an administration with this record, promise to do better, and then you come and do worse. Yeah, can't also say crown or boka first. That is unacceptable. It's like you wanted to scam the people, but can't be beer to almost. I dare say a crime scene. Governor, no, if 13 billion cedis loss is a crime scene for the governor to. In fact, at that time, what they knew was 10 billion. After recasting about 13, 10 billion loss is a crime scene. The governor must resign in 21 days. By the NDC standard, what should they be saying about my good friend governor?
But the governor must resign was on the 60 billion.
No.
But we had a demonstration on the 60 billion.
No, they did a demonstration in 2024.
Okay.
On the 2023 accounts.
Okay.
Mostly near policy insolvency. HRS governor no any penny for decisions or may take a bad. Momo their policy insolvency have been a makoto good at their Johnson. I said they are tied it now the pin, safety pin, assume. To Momo by your own standard, then you can. So you see the politicization Obi doesn't help. Media they are here worried about and say, put all the politics aside and look at the numbers. We have a problem. Sa 93 MP before we are all going to pay for it. So if there are decisions that are being taken at the bank in jeopardy, don't still keep standing by it and defending it for political capital when we are all going into peril. Ntimakacho said Wednesday,
yes,
you better out with recommendations on how very, very urgently this lender of last resort must be saved. If not, and then the policy insolvency no man kataso. What if fortunately we become actually insolvent?
How about
it calls for sober reflection?
Yes, the arguments gold na omoton ye are clearly material workana. It was a bad decision from your perspective. But they tell you, say, a work in progress. They are still building reserves, you know? And that's how comes see our crowd here. Almost they want to build to the level, see a 15-month import cover as a country. And the gun wrap, a babetum and our parliament, you know? And it's not as if, say, ya tongue be any at they are still building.
Time of Moton Gold, no, not your reserves, how many months?
Almost 5?
5 months.
Yes.
Until 5 months of import cover. Also, person build they do 15. Why would you sell half of what you have and come down only to start afresh? Because also the upper soil will build it reserves to 15 months, but the gold 40% and a cash 60%. Na gold no does into person diversify back cash. What you do is that you build more cash reserves.
Yes.
So you don't sell your gold, you keep the gold. and then you build more cash reserves to overtake the gold reserves.
But you can also sell part of the gold to build your cash reserve.
You don't need to, because it takes a lot more difficulty to get the gold than to get cash reserves. Intino, gold. Look at how we struggled to build gold reserves from 8 tons to 31 tons. When Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia came up with this domestic gold purchase program, a lot of people didn't even understand it. There were parts of the program that we tried that were temporary,
yes,
that didn't work out. The gold for oil, it had its challenges. It had to be cancelled at a point. But that program was brilliant. I know the name of buyer. Mutumeye intervention in the market and most of changing it into intermediation. Mukwani central banker mu intervene or marketer yet to need into a commercial bank. So now the central bank is operating as a commercial bank. You fair no to change. It is I say gold near 40% of reserves. Now 60% here cash. But total number of 5 months. Who person build it up to 15 months. Yes. Simultaneous equation. You grow the cash reserves.
How do you grow it?
You grow the cash reserves by using the door gold. The door, who's a gold near bullion?
Yeah,
and door.
Dory bars, yes.
You grow through the door, and then you sell the door for forex. That's the gold for forex program.
Yes.
To grow the cash reserves.
But they are doing that along.
So why do you sell the gold first? And I make catch say it doesn't make sense. The only reason for which they sold that gold between October and December, and I'm actually on page 7, because they needed to get policy solvency. Into banking is on technically 2025 policy insolvent. That was what happened. That's the only reason for which they sold it, and now they are going to buy it back at a higher price. If not, they themselves know. They themselves know. Say what they needed to do was to grow the cash part of it, not to sell the gold to add to the cash, to change the percentage, which is still 5 months, and then now start to build the gold again to 15 months. How does that make sense to you?
Wesa Obi, good afternoon. In the same vein, i.e. on Kojo's comment about Joe Jackson, one could easily ask, when have you heard Kojo say anything in favor of the NDC?
Can I give him an answer?
When the
finance minister introduced the your friends commencement authorization, may have commended him publicly for it. I can give him examples. Can he give me an example?
Or say in 2015, I had a Facebook chat with Kojo where I expressed my excitement at him joining politics and admonished him to remain technocratic and shun politics as usual. My mention nipa crowd by that. Okay, Jibril Agbesi Hamenu. Now, say Obi join politics. How would he shun politics? Join politics and shun politics. How is that going to be possible? But Hamenu Yadase, Papa. We say Obi. What the asset management was the asset management done by BOG? What the asset management done by BOG does in the balance sheet is basically changing the asset class of that particular asset on the face of the balance sheet. It does not affect their profit and loss. So why should they include the reclassification in their P&L? It is more or less like a revaluation which should be reflected in your OCI. The bottom line figure, which is the loss/profit, is the actual figure that is sent to the retained earnings, in this case the equity. So how do you report a loss of 15 billion whilst you transfer 35 billion Ghana cedis to your retained earnings in the balance sheet? If this is not magical accounting, then what will it be?
French Nibekase exactement. Watch them is what accounting now. So you cannot adjust your balance sheet by 35 billion, by negative 35 billion, yet pretend that the loss was 15. And I'm actually saying 19, normally I cut other comprehensive income. So you have to add it to it. You see the total, that's the 35 billion, 34.9, that is 35. Yes. That is what they went to adjust on the balance sheet of the central bank. That's the truth.
Se utiena o adwintra 0 0548 443 523 0548 443 523 ubetimi de messages no afaso abrain na yajemre akan ama 0548 443 523 na yanyemre enkan o messages ni na emfa ema mene kojo Oppong Nkrumah ena ewo studio 42 minutes after 4. I'll pause for this short break. Mekan mo messages na akanafe.
Oh, I will show you what else that money could have been used for, because
money being
so sika Bank of Ghana tiama commercial banks in 2025.
Yes.
For sterilization. You can't want some BMF no. Now they compare to the profits that the commercial banks made. Now if you say they compare what we call real private sector growth, where the money should have or could have gone, opportunity cost where it could have gone, who say you try to take them on a year. I'll take you into it.
Mate, you could see saying higher senpai.
Okay. Edana NDC party by a press conference, someone or more announce Bank of Ghana results.
Yes.
Omo can send you a press conference na say. Omo say accounts no. Omo edebe to abontin coaching because it was compiled in accordance with international financial reporting standards.
Yes.
Account na download the fee internet no so no from the Bank of Ghana website. 136 pages.
Yes.
Okay, more there are two places in which the auditors and the directors say that the omo can no correct. The auditors KPMG, only the directors of the bank, almost say the NDC party ne can no correct. Me pacho we page 10 where the independent auditors give their opinion. My highlighting and maybe will green mo. Pacho can't share with you for.
But why is this necessary relative to question me?
Maybe answer because a change in accounting policy.
Okay.
And now the profit that the Bank of Ghana made in 2024, or multimedity say loss. By no cry no yes say yeah no mo nkohun tokwa. Or more accounting policy for now edo dia ban and no started do omunya no. Wo dey kan ho no mame.
In the way emphasis on matter basis of account.
Yes.
Okay, emphasis of matter, basis of accounting.
Yes.
And to almost say we draw attention to note 2A to the consolidated and separate financial statement, which describe the basis of accounting.
The basis of the accounting.
Yes, of accounting,
okay.
Yes. The consolidated and separate financial statement are prepared in accordance with the group's own accounting policies to satisfy the financial information requirement per the Bank of Ghana Act 2002 Act 612 as amended by the Bank of Ghana Amendment Act 2016 Act 918, the Bank of Ghana Amendment Act 2025 Act 1158, and the Public Financial Management Act 2016 Act 921.
Almost say why accounting standards now.
Yeah, BOGDA
good. Yeah. No, almost say use the bank's own group
yes
accounting standards.
Yes.
Use in fact use IFRS.
Sure.
Page 4. Masan highlighted baby in green. That is where the directors of the bank give their bona fides to support the account.
However, the Bank of Ghana Act takes precedence over IFRS accounting standards in the areas noted above, and as a result, the recognition and measurement criteria are set out in IFRS accounting standards as adopted by ICAG have not been applied in these circumstances. The resulting significant departures from IFRS accounting standard as adopted by ICAG are summarized below. So meaning say essentially no omono omadwin say IFRS accounting standard and no use for way
and the reason is that how you recognize some elements also be send message say nanka wo asset there and asset if you swap from one asset class to another a balance sheet as you don't come into your operating income statement in it is principally because as part of reset no change accounting policy now at the central bank. First, now Central Bank use IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards, which is also being adopted by the Institute of Chartered Accountants
Ghana. Yes.
In fact, so we have to say banks now Ghana, they are required to use IFRS. SOEs are required to use IFRS. the Bank of Ghana and Ankasa, to ensure uniformity, they moved to IFRS. When this government came, as part of our reset,
yes,
also much changes, so they no longer use the international financial reporting standards. Use more standards. Because of that, and to say valuation gains. Yifi operating account nimu. Normally akwa share other comprehensive income nimu. And what you realize, let me answer me 2024 account in say. What you realize is in the 2024 account, because Omuyi gains, as in the valuation gains, near free operating account, the operating account was short of the profit from revaluation. What they can and bank from a deficit of 9 billion, they moved to a positive of 4 billion. But Omuyi if you want the cocoa share. Your friend is saying other comprehensive income. And no report 9.4 as the headline loss. And in Komoko balance sheet, I was saying balance sheet necessary take konechi. Because if it's a loss of 9.4, I was saying balance sheet necessary konechi. Balance sheet ne ban because the net effect ukatu ni boom send away 15.6 and 19 ukabomo 34 no. But uka negative 9 no plus I think it was about 12 or so. I have to check it. I don't have it here. Ukamboma a positive 4 into the balance sheet. That is the net equity position improved by about 4 billion. In fact, and no press conference no show bar graphs no said that was the recovery that was coming. Say net equity position it was recovering. But because of the change in accounting policy, and I can tell you on authority, I know the 2 directors of the central bank who caused this policy to be changed. 2 minimum, you know. No more caused this policy to be changed.
Directors of the central bank.
Yes, because no money say so muja policy now. Profit will be recognized in 2024. Like I say, can you about 2022? No, we managed to turn the bank around before we left. So they changed the policy. Who said they changed the auditors as well?
So we KPM,
but these were not the original auditors. They've changed the auditors as well. I'm not impugning any motive on it. I can't do that. I'm a professional. I won't do that. But I'm telling you, why several changes. Sir, accounting policy no change from IFRS. No?
Yes.
Saying Kamu use old accounting policy now, you would have recognized the profit in 2024. But they changed it so that they could tell the story that there was still a loss of 9.4. Even though they claimed there was a loss of 9.4, when they went to the balance sheet, the net equity had a positive turnaround because the net effect was positive. But so we say ebia emu enko kwaku ebabeto into the same accounting policy no and then nema se woka se why 15 why bekwa ku na 19 wa fi uka bomu a negative 34 obi ntan obi but bank na ye nyina yesika kurabia batan I was say ye bohuban tama na wo say eduambum bokoko no afide utinisu yeah they ask a message about the fine say there's a problem you enjoy politics no na yen confront time ye ka say any investigation mma ye anka 2.5 ye nanke stop what there no say do 9 and when him said they have not changed the structure of the gold purchase program. They haven't changed it.
Now the only change we are told is that Bank of Ghana is no longer involved.
But they have not changed the structure.
Money.
They have not changed the structure. And it cannot be for na eba be boss akano. Because Bank of Ghana say to me most akani bill. I can show you where this akani kwa share next time. Say can my year if gold board books mo dey be share Bank of Ghana books. But only 9 billion.
Yes.
Me kan ye di atam sa. Ene na be. A normal buyer is there some bit say let's change the structure. No, say there's nothing wrong with the structure. But no one say Bank of Ghana any bill into one be the kana ko share baby for. I know an authority where they have moved it to. 2026 we say a one person they can ko share. Under the gun wrap no gold now more better on a door so crossing they did 9 billion buy you. But omo e can if Bank of Ghana they ko share baby fufro ye nim baby fufra de kwa koshe. In our recommendations ye betchero say honemwa the solution is to go back to the old structure. Cost of sterilization ye kan say you can get this money without paying these amounts. Don't do this. Maye, Ubon say Wednesday, the alternative proposals BEBAP seeking to correct it. Wednesday, there's something we have to say about the 93 billion. Ekana abefi no.
Yes.
Because they say no makacho say
total equity.
The total net equity
minus we no.
You 93 billion no crash say
zero.
Zero. So you have to pay more than 93 billion. And no your view on how it should be done. And also you the ehon binti ye entire bi ye nkase bonemra. But
why do we have to pay? Because time ye bought 60 billion no. At the time ye
net equity about 55
billion.
Yeah.
So no, the BOG was not capitalized by government.
And there was supposed to be a program to recapitalize.
Okay.
And that program was rolled out. So I will say recapitalization. Recapitalization, you need to mobilize Sika.
Yes.
And how they are recapitalization is taxpayers' money. What you say? I'm sure you are privy to all the stories about your tax measures and for bogu say no I don't want to go into that one. Whatever it is now, we have to recapitalize. You say do 93, we have to recapitalize. So we have to raise that revenue to recapitalize. So revenue can just be to be mimic to be in a bit. Say I'm confronting situation now and recapitalizing and now. Next year, do you know what could happen to the bank? And even this year, 2026. Until we say the politics not to change. Ni jai say account na come NDC party no more. No. Let's get serious on a professional level and deal with it and try to fix it.
Kujo Oppong Nkrumah ena yetin nkana wo say hwena ye de yen common AC. It's already 7 minutes after 5. Yen panel members now so I crowd was say ye call into your discussion segment. More among the messages by yen to me ankano monfa enchen we say obi listening to honorable KON from the boardroom of Nkrumah and Associate. Kujo is very intelligent, excellent analysis. Kwesi Botwe Junior Esquire and on the way a praying. Kwesi Yadase Papa Koyo Yadasen so the best answer in Komobi.
Yaminka, the message say Asembana say ye my advisor. You see, I keep making this point. Yet now memo for 8 years. We got some things right, we got some things wrong. You know some of the things are say ye ni year be boagana ni na abaini yesrom say ye kasa. It will save all of us a lot of headache. And some I account about gold, and some I account about sterilization. Kenya said 93 billion. They shouldn't see everything through political lenses. They should listen.